So if I were to take this sofa here, for instance, and I said I wanted to have a detail on this pillow right here, I would take a darker blue, but I would also take a lighter color. And since I don't have a darker blue, I'm going to do a white. So I'm going to take and see what happens with white on there. One thing that's important when you're drawing pattern is to go to the edges of things and draw on the sides and draw like behind. If I only put circles out here and they never touched the edge of the pillow, then that wouldn't really look like a pattern, would it? So I'm going in here with my white and I'm drawing some little bubbles in there. My next task, I think, is to go in with the darker blue and kind of make this look interesting. Yeah. If I didn't want to do bubbles or I wanted those white things to stand out more, I could take this darker blue and I could go into a spot like this and I could actually even shade up against one side of a couple of them. Because sometimes color is about contrast, right? It's not necessarily true to say that the white won't show up. What's happening is that the white is on a light surface, so of course it won't show. I've got to get a darker surface behind it. So I've just gone in to do a little bit of something there. Get the camera to focus on that again. And you can see how that worked. Here, I'm going to take a lighter yellow and I'm going to do, let's do a plaid on this. You can hardly even see what's happening with that. Let's try this. Nothing. So I got to get some marks that are going to show up for you. Notice that I'm moving my pencil sort of in a contouring movement around there. Guess I need to go around the edge, don't I? What does plaid do? I should probably be looking up a picture before I make a demonstration, right? Okay, I see that. I don't really love it. I'm going to take my colorless blender. I'm going to soften my marks a little bit. That really helped, didn't it? I'm now going to take my 30% gray. I'm going to reinforce my shadow under here and over here. It's not doing anything under there, so I'm going to take a 50. 70. Sorry, I threw all my crayons on the floor, so I gotta unpack. There's a lot of wax on here, so it doesn't seem to be taking that very well. Maybe I should take a black pencil and put a shadow down in there. Don't forget that you've got pencils, yeah?
Yeah.
Does that answer your question a little